We used to view a forest fire as a disaster, but we now know that it's actually an important part of ecosystem renewal. It's a kickstart to succession and is now a tool used by the National Park Service to keep our forests healthy. Prescribed fire is a planned fire. It is also sometimes called a controlled burn or prescribed burn, and it is used to manage the condition of a forest. A well-planned prescribed fire considers the safety of the public and fire staff and weather. Prescribed fire is one of the most important tools used to manage fire today. The fire may be designed to create a mosaic of diverse habitats for plants and animals, to help endangered species recover, or to reduce fuels and thereby prevent a destructive fire. In most parks, management-ignited prescribed fires are used instead of lightning-caused fires to manage vegetation. Prescribed burns have been ignited to reduce hazardous fuel loads near developed areas, manage landscapes, restore natural woodlands, and for research purposes. Before any prescribed fires are permitted, the park must complete a fire management plan and a prescribed burn plan. Each prescribed fire must meet all of the conditions identified in a go, no-go checklist before ignition. When fire cannot be used, most hazardous fuel reduction is accomplished with saws and manual removal called mechanical treatment. In some cases, it's a multi-step process in which mechanical treatment is done first, and then the materials are put in piles and burned when the weather allows. When starting a prescribed burn, a ping pong ball device may be used to ignite the prescribed fire. A machine launches the plastic sphere containing potassium permanganate to a specific target in the area to be burned. This produces an exothermic reaction resulting in the ignition of the fuels on the ground for the prescribed burn. Your challenge today is to be a mechanical engineer that designs and builds a launcher to expel a ping pong device to a specific spot on our forest. You will have a limited number of materials that you can use to design the launcher that can send a potassium permanganate ball reliably to a predetermined direction and specific distance from the launching site. There are 3 basic launcher designs that you could use as a starting point: a catapult, a trebuchet, and a slingshot. Once you have built a working model, you will need to redesign and adjust the direction and distance of your device. So be creative and build well. The forest management team is relying on you. Good luck.